WIKO View 2 Pro, and let me show you how to check out the current version of the device, and let me show you how to check if there is any available update on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the following list, let's choose System. Select here System Update, and as you can see here, you can choose Check for Update. The device is looking for any available update. Of course, it's important to have the internet access, and as you can see, my system is up to date. Here you can check also the Android version, security patch level, and the last successful check for update. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.